Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss bad breath therapies to increase curative effects. For tea therapy, we can use sweet osmanthus black tea. 3 gram osmanthus flowers are boiled first, and such boiling water is used to brew 5 grams black tea. One dose every day, with such water held in the mouth frequently. Second, the sweet osmanthus with chrysanthemum tea. 6 grams sweet scented osmanthus and 6 gram chrysanthemums are boiled together 2 or 3 times. Drink one dose every day, which can refresh breath and clear stomach. Green tea, 25 gram. Green tea is boiled for drinking with tea leaves chewed, serving to reduce stomach heat. For getting rid of the other factors leading to bad breath, first is to avoid eating certain food. Avoid eating spicy food. The smell of such spicy food as onion and garlic is apt to stay in the mouth after the meal. Eating too much of these foods will keep the smell longer in the mouth, which cannot be easily done away through toothbrushing. Smoked sausage, smoked beef, and garlic sausage not only have strong smell, but are difficult to be digested, resulting in unpleasant gas in the stomach followed by bad breath. Second is dealing with decayed tooth timely. Food residues are apt to be attached to areas of pathological changes, such as decayed teeth, residual crowns, and roots, due to the functions of germs in the mouth. Food residues would be fermented, leading to bad breath. Bad breath will disappear once the decayed teeth, residual crowns, and roots are cured. Third, treating periodontal diseases. Bad breath can be caused by periodontal diseases, particularly chronic periodontal diseases, will lead to blind pouches and produce chronic pyorrhea. Bad breath cannot be expelled unless periodontal disease and blind pouches are done away with. Acute inflammation in the mouth, such as acute periodontal abscess, and the third molar pericoronitis will generate some secretion of acute inflammation, resulting in bad breath. With these ailments cured and inflammation expelled, bad breath will disappear. Fourth, brushing teeth and rinsing the mouth frequently. There are crevices amid the teeth of some people. After the meal, some food residues would stay in the crevices and generate bad breath due to the fermentation of germs in the mouth. It is more obvious for old people whose crevices are larger amid the teeth due to physiological atrophy of their periodontal tissues. Therefore, attention should be paid to hygiene in the mouth, that is, brushing teeth and rinsing the mouth after getting up in the morning and before going to bed to eliminate food residues in the mouth to prevent the occurrence of bad breath. And lastly, treating diseases in the digestive tract. Disease in the digestive tract and intestines, such as indigestion or the reflux disease of the digestive tract, can bring the smell of food residues in stomach out, leading to bad breath in mouth. Once diseases in the digestive tract are cured, bad breath will disappear. Uh, Expelling stomach fire. The time between 5 and 7 in the morning is for the intestines and stomach to expel toxin. Scraping around the navel during this period can help to expel inner heat in the stomach. With, with stomach fire expelled, gastric distension, constipation, bad breath, oral ulcer, swelling and aching of gum, acne along lips, and freckles on the face can be improved. Thank you for your attention.